गाइस अब ये वीडियो जो है यूट्यूब पे जाएगी रिकॉर्ड के बाद। किसी कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो मुझे बताओ, यस एंड नो।
No problem, sir.
Okay, good to go then. Okay, guys, be ready with pen and paper. I think you all you know that how we conduct PPT session, right? So I'll give you 30 seconds, right? So you can see the picture clearly. After that, you'll get 1 minute to write down the details, age, mood, or gender, right? And then later on, you'll get 3 minutes to write down your story. Once again, Ayush Rawat want to join. That is a thing. People join and leave. But okay, we'll wait for a moment. एंड गाइज मेक श्योर वन थिंग, जब आप अपनी स्टोरी नरेट करो ना, एक कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ करो, ठीक है? और दूसरी चीज ये है कि 1 मिनट में खत्म करने की कोशिश करो। ओके
Sure.
ओके, गुड टू गो गाइज। ओके ग्रेट। कैमरा बंद नहीं करना है बीच में किसी को, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Okay guys, so you'll get 30 seconds, right, to observe or see picture, whatever you can perceive, and you can write down. And you'll get 1 minute to write down all the details like age, mood, and gender, and you'll get 3 minutes to write down your story. And later on we will discuss and try to you know narrate your story in just 1 minute. Don't try to go beyond that. Okay, now it's visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it's
Okay, good
visible.
to go guys.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
आयुष माइक ऑफ करो अपना। Okay, guys, please put your pen down. Everyone. Salman. Kapil. Okay, now I'm giving you 1 minute, right? Go through your story, right? Only 1 minute. And throw paper or crush your paper or do whatever is that, or throw somewhere XYZ place, right? Okay, then we'll start our discussion. Fine. Please do that. 1 minute. Go through your story. Okay, guys, please stop it now. Okay, chess number 1, you can start your story, take 1 minute and try to finish at that particular time, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So, okay, friends, picture shown to us. I observe there are of eight characters. My main character is Rajesh, and the nature of the story is positive, and ages lie between 24 to 28. So Rajesh is the aeronautics engineer. He is very much interested in planes and jets. One day he with his friends he's supposed to invent something different with full of enthusiasm. He buys some of the cheap parts of the plane from the market and tried to make with the help of his friends. He successfully did the same with full of potential. After the invention, his group is trying to fly that plane in a hilly area so that they can fall that plane from the upper part of the hill to the ground part, which is uh, thank you, sir.
In the picture shown, I pursued 5 to 6 characters, age between 21 to 23 years, and nature of the picture is positive. Manoj, Shubham, and Shantanu are alumnus or in the last year of their engineering. They are pursuing aeronautical engineering. They are studying at IIT Guwahati. So they were tasked with for their last year project. Manoj was continuously in favor of as main topic as making an aeroplane, for which he was gathering continuous knowledge from first year. So he told that plan to his friend. Manoj gathered all the necessary information. Shubham and Shantanu, they collected all the required equipment. Their campus was having a hill, which was their launch pad. So they went there. They launched their aeroplane from there. Though it was their first try, so though it was a failure, but they got all the appreciation from their college.
Next.
Thank you.
Yeah, hi everyone. Picture shown to us, I perceived 6 characters, and Aman was the main character of my story. Aman was the student of aeronautics engineer. He was also interested in more various activities like doing the various kind of projects in aeronautics. One day he got a project from his college teacher to decide get a project from his teacher, and he make a team to develop that project. He was the lead of that project. He divided the separate modules of that project in his team, and after that he presented his college on the state level, and he won the second position of that. Okay, thank you.
So from the picture, I perceive there are 8 characters. And Shubham is an engineering graduate. He's recently graduated and got placed in an IT company. So in vacation, he has been to a hill area for his vacations. And during that, he has to join an interview session. So but he faced many network issues. So he asked from the locals about it. The local make him understood that there is no any network tower in that area. So many people face the problem, and also a student has to face the issues while attending online session. So Shubham write an appeal to an officer concerned, and officer help send some IT professionals to establish network towers, and Shubham also helps in establishing it. And after that, network stability is restored in that area, and after that, everything is good. Well, thank you.
According to me, the story revolves around a plane and people looking at it. There is an landslide occurred in the middle Himalaya range, and all of the area, the people is distorted and very panic mood. And to solve the problem, the government has launched the NDRF mission, and the government and the armed personals provides all the necessary facilities to the peoples like clothes, foodings, and extra. And after that, the government also provides the relief fund
Test number
facilities for
5.
their employment.
Test
So
number
that
5. 1 second,
Yes.
hold on. Where is your
Yes,
paper?
sir.
Where is your answer? What you wrote? Show me. Fast. Show me. पढ़ दो सर. अब साइड में रख दो, पेपर फोल्ड करके पॉकेट में डाल लो, जो भी करना है. नाउ नरेट योर स्टोरी फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग.
According to me, the story revolves around a people and the plane and the people looking at the plane. There is an landslide occurred in the middle Himalayan range, due to which the people get distorted and all are in the panic mood. And for the relief of the people, the government has launched the NDRF mission, and all the government personals and armed peoples are helping people for providing their lodging facility, foods and clothing facilities, so that they can accept their basic necessities. And for that, the government has also planned and launched an employment mission so that they can provide their necessary facilities. And by this, all the peoples are happy, are feeling proud of their government and the armed personals. Thank you.
Friends, from the picture shown to us, I have perceived there are 7 characters. All of them are male. The mood is positive, and the age group is about 20 to 24 years old. My action of story is making a science project with the help of some friends. Rahul, who is a central character of my story, is a class representative of his class, and one day he got selected for his science project from his college to participate in a science exhibition. After some time, he decided to make a plane out of woods. So he decided to include his friends into this project. So he asked 2 of his friends to get the wooden framework from the market. He asked 2 of his friends to get a solar panels from the market, and he assembled all of these pieces into a plane. And then, with the help of his friend, he got to a hilly area where he tested the plane, which worked on a solar panels. And after that, he participated in the exhibition and he won the prize. Thank you.
So, gentlemen, from the picture, what I perceive, there are 8 characters, all are in positive mood, and their age is in between 21 to 35. So my story goes like this. So Sumit is a 35-year-old aeronautical engineer who joined the DRDO, and he is a senior scientist there. So he's currently working on a project where he has to make a lightweight aircraft, and they are working on a project. He has a team. He assigned a team of a member around 35, and there are different departments. He has to integrate all of them and make the work in a possible way. So during that project, there are so many problems during that project. So he complete all the problems, and after that they have tested that in the hilly area, and due to the unsuccessful attempt, so again he did all the research and analysis whole process, and again retested, and this time they successfully did that and deployed that lightweight aircraft to Indian Air Force. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. In the picture shown to us, I could perceive 7 to 8 characters. Their age is around 23 to 24 years, and the mood is positive. And next of my story is building a project for exhibition. So Anuj is a final-year-old engineering student. So he got a project from his department to make a glider. So he, along with his along with his group members, decided to do a research. They collected all the necessary equipments or materials required for the project. They also saw a few YouTube videos and also took the help of seniors. They worked hard day and night, and within the 30 to 35 days, they were able to make a glider. And they also conducted few trials. And on the final day of exhibition, everyone was present along with the principal and many other important members. So they took that glider to the top of a hill and flew it. After 2 to 3 hours of successful landing, everyone applauded them, and Anuj, he got very good marks in his exhibition. Thank you.
Gentlemen, gentlemen, as I perceive in the picture, there are around 7 characters. Both all are males, and the hero of my story is Ram, and he's a gender is male, and the mood is positive. Action of my story is like that. Ram is a 24-year-old boy, and he recently completed his engineering, and he works in a multinational company. Actually, he's an IT graduate, so he works in a so he's a software engineer. On the Friday night, Ram and his some of friends decided to go on a mountaineering. So they planned a trip for the Saturday and Sunday. So they go on a mountaineering, and when he reached at the middle of the mountain, he found it that the plane is about to crash. Plane is about to crash. So he instantly informed to the nearest police station, and after that he evacuated safely, and some of the injured members of the plane members evacuated safely. And after that the police after it informed to the police station, a fire brigade also came. So they
Hello, gentlemen. I perceived 8 characters in the story. Mood of the story is positive, and also the age group is about 21 to 25 year olds. So I perceive in this photo that we are at war condition with our enemy. So all our planes are destroyed by the enemy, and our soldiers also injured in this scenario. Also our old also our sky is covered with the enemy's planes. So by that, our 8 characters, our main character is Jonty, who is a wing commander in Air Force. So he decided to. So as we have no planes left, because all the planes are get defeated by enemies. So we decided that we have one aeroplane in the one carriage which is which is little bit which requires little bit of maintenance. So we all decided that we all 8 members decided that let us put together the what the material is required, and then we flew it from the mountains, and finally we did it, and our aircraft crashes all the planes which are in the sky, and hence we win the war. Thank you.
Hello, gentlemen. From the picture, I perceive that it is a scene of army base camp. Hello.
Yes, please, you are audible. Carry on.
From the picture shown to us, I perceive that it is a scene of Pithoragarh of Uttarakhand, where landslide is happening every time, and so it is a scene of army base camp. So once the soldiers was moving to the height of a mountain, so they find that there should be there there was a bridge who was quarter organization was destroyed by the enemies. So they contact to the chief engineer of BRO, and
and contact them to the, and they told it. Okay.
Yes, test number 12 बोलो यार, क्या हो गया? What's the problem? Speak up, man. हिंदी में बोलो, नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं, पर कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोलो. हिंदी में बोल दो, कोई बात नहीं.
No, I will try.
We are here to learn.
They
Okay?
contact.
ठीक है, हम साथ सीखने के लिए हैं, ठीक है? अब बोलो हिंदी में, बीच में इंग्लिश में जैसे बोलना है बोलो, just speak up, okay? Please.
Yeah, man. They contacted the BRO chief engineer that to reconstruct that bridge, and because from that bridge the army soldiers was moving towards the hill station, and to find the enemy who were destroying that bridge, and after that they find they reconstruct it with by hard work, and will able to move forward. Thank you.
So according to most of the gentlemen, I think.
Guys, 1 second, guys. Gentlemen, please 1 second. Within 2 minutes, right? I'm going to share one more link. Like you join that particular link, okay? This session is about to over within the next 2 minutes. Okay, guys?
Yeah, okay, sir.
So take 2-3 minutes rest or whatever is there. Let me create the link and we'll continue this session for the next 2 to 3 minutes, okay?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Great.
So should we leave this session?
Yes, yes, you should. See guys, आपको डरने की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है? पूरे कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ अपनी स्टोरी नरेट कर दी. आप लोगों ने जो भी करना था, डिस्कशन करना है. The main purpose of doing this session is to make you a little bit, more familiar with the real condition. I know it's not possible as of now sitting, in comfort zone. क्योंकि अभी अब मैं किसी को देखूं, किसी ने टी शर्ट पहनी हुई है, किसी ने शर्ट पहनी है, किसी ने कोट शर्ट कुछ भी डाला हुआ है. जब आप एक बार प्रॉपर एनवायरनमेंट में प्रैक्टिस करोगे ना, तो दैट वुड बी केक वॉक फॉर यू. दैट्स व्हाई वी से ना, द वर्ड क्या डायलॉग है उसका, वो ट्रेनिंग में ज्यादा स्वेट करोगे, द मोर यू नो द लेस यू ब्लीड इन द वॉर समथिंग. व्हाट इज दैट अनिकेत? क्या, व्हाट इज द डायलॉग?
The more you
I think the more you bleed in peace.
The more you
जितना
the more you sweat, the less you bleed.
The more you sweat in peace, the less you bleed in war.
जितना रगड़ा उतना तगड़ा.
The more you sweat in the training, the less you bleed in the war. Right?
Yes, sir.
So you will try to practice in the same situation, then only you can overcome all those kind of fears. If you don't have a problem in your life, then try to get not into big problem, means try to create a problem for yourself. अगर आप ठंडी में सुबह उठ के रनिंग नहीं कर सकते हो ना, राइट, तो मुश्किल हो जाएगा फिर.
Yes.
Gentlemen, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Just not is audible.
Yes.
Okay guys,
Sir,
so
I'm audible.
आयुष आपको डिस्कशन करना है, ठीक है? नो वरीज, ठीक है? और सबको आप देखो यार, यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, ये नहीं कि मुझे अपनी स्टोरी बोलनी है, आप समझ रहे हो? हम सबको मिलके एक स्टोरी बनानी है. योर ग्रुप, नेवर फॉरगेट दैट.
Sir, I am audible.
Yes, you're audible. So आपको एक ऑब्जेक्टिव की तरफ जाना है, ठीक है? सबको मिलके जाना है. So think in that way. ये नहीं कि मेरी स्टोरी है, मेरे इंडिविजुअल पॉइंट्स जाना चाहिए, नहीं. You have to conclude that story. और बाद बाकी ऑफिसर्स में छोड़ दो, क्या लेना चाहते हैं, क्या नहीं लेना चाहते हैं.
Yes. Okay.
सुनिए मेरी बात, तो वो उनके हाथ में है, जो भी है वो देख लेंगे आप में क्या क्वालिटीज है. अगर आप अपने में फोकस चलोगे तो मुश्किल है. आपको ग्रुप का ऑब्जेक्टिव लेके चलना है, राइट? दैट्स व्हाट द डिमांड ऑफ अ सर्विस, ना? ओके.
Yes, sir.
Okay guys, so on the count of 3 you can start your discussion. Okay, 1, 2, 3, please proceed.
Okay guys, as I perceive there are 8 characters full of positive mood, and I think
first we decide the characters.
First of all, we should decide that there is a landslide.
something special and great.
Center of that.
The scene is of Himalayas.
Most of us is about aeronautical engineers, so we can leave the story found aeronautical engineer.
They are in
Gentlemen,
a
as we running out of time, so
Friends, there are
gentlemen,
7
gentlemen, as we running out of time, so first decide the character, mood, and the gentleman, as we running out of time, so
The character there.
Just number 9 character decided is already we can take
most of us
7 to 8
Character is
Gentlemen,
already
first
to
of
know
all, we
their
should decide
characters
there
and
are how
the
many members of
There
the
are
most of us are
only
going
8
for
characters and all are
the
in a
genre
positive
is
mood.
already shown.
For
Yeah,
the same
all,
mood.
Since
no,
most
no,
of us
all
are
not
going
in
for
positive mood, because there is a stress situation with there is a
Gentlemen,
stress situation, so we cannot make a positive mood. We can make a neutral mood.
I think they will work in a
Make a neutral mood because they are in a
Gentlemen,
stress situation. They are
gentlemen,
most of the
let's
stories
come to
around
the
aeronautical
single
engineer,
story.
and he prepares in the DRDO. Most of us
Gentlemen,
stories around aeronautical engineer, so we can make a story around the aeronautical engineer.
we can go for
Yes,
electrical
according
engineering
to all of
and he's preparing
also we
stress
can,
situation is
also
different
form a team
basically,
for the
and we
same.
can
Have you
also
seen
say
the
that
picture
they
here?
are
We
working
can also form a
something with lot of enthusiasm and with
People
good
go for the
potential
aeronautical
to invent something to
But
create
if we
something
go
or
with
the
aeronautical engineering, then what's they are doing
No.
at Himalaya in the hilly range?
Yeah, you are right.
They
I
can
think
easily
also
making a
the thing
project
is they are trying to
Aeronautical engineer, they
their
can test their
their
planes
they
at
are
their
trying to
land
invent
area
something
also.
different, whatever they want, like they are interested on.
By that,
They are an aeronautical engineer. They are going to Himalayas because they are shown our they are test our helicopters terrain conditions. They want to know about the helicopters.
first come to the
What
main point
what
that
they live in a
just
terrain
have to start
conditions. So
our
that's
story
why
now.
because
Actually,
because in the Siachen glacier, most of the
all the
wars
8
happen in the
characters have
I
its
think
own
we
team.
can, we can more made it
All
All
the
the 8 characters
activity.
work as like a team.
they want to test
we are not given you points. Let us
what
story.
they
We are
what are
just
they behave
against the
According
terrain
to me, there
conditions.
is
They are
no
trying to
necessary
go
for
up on the
testing their
hilly area
aeronautical at
and
Himalayas.
decided
Himalayas,
the team to
Even as we
best
running out of
places
time,
that they
most
can
of the
test at the
stories
non
about
plain area also.
aeronautical engineering. So we
just wanted to say
from
something.
the Himalayas to
aeronautical
the
engineering.
ground.
Suppose the story is like that.
We can
Ram is
include
an
just a
aeronautical.
motive
Ram is
story.
an
See,
aeronautical engineer and
we can include
aeronautical. Ram is an aeronautical engineer and pursuing his dreams. He got an opportunity internship. He got an opportunity to internship in the DRDO, and he and his team members make an aircraft. Make an aircraft for our defense forces. So they test an aircraft in the terrain conditions. The aircraft behave in the terrain conditions. That's why they go.
But
They landed
we
about the
can see
plant.
that the down people
They
are
landed
looking
about
at
the
the
flight. They
aircraft
landed
that they
about
are
the planes,
demanding for
fighter
their
planes in
hope is there in
the mountains,
aircraft.
so they can place fighter planes in terrain conditions.
We can
So
also
they
think like
behave
that
in
the
the
aircraft
terrain
is giving
conditions
them
because in the mountain
around
conditions are
The
different.
image that
Everyone is
eight
telling the
characters are
story.
like
Okay, gentlemen, 1 second,
on
please.
them
Everyone,
and try
Please
to
make the
everyone,
story
please stop
on the
it.
hilly area.
Why you are not
Gentlemen,
So maybe for testing that
test number
aircraft.
1.
please
Please, 1 second, 1
make the
second. I'm
story
audible.
common.
I'm audible. 1
Yes, sir.
second.
Yes,
Test number 10.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so ये तो काफी खतरनाक डिस्कशन था, ऐसे तो कहीं पहुंच नहीं पाओगे. Okay, so chest number 1,
Yes, sir.
2,
फिश
3,
मार्केट लगा रखा है.
4, 5. Group 1. Okay, chest number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 जो बच गए हैं वो सेकंड ग्रुप. ठीक है, 1 to 6 और कितने इसमें है, कितने 9 10 11 ना.
12, sir.
ओके, टोटल 11 है,
11.
including 12 जा रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो हम करेंगे पहले 5 का फिर 6 का. ठीक है, चेस्ट नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 अभी डिस्कस करोगे. आपके पास 2 मिनट है, फिर जहां से आप लोग छोड़ोगे वहां से वो लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके,
Gentlemen, first of all, we
Also,
should
as I
decide
perceive,
that
all
why
the
are they
characters are in
testing
positive
their
mood,
aeroplanes
as
at the Himalaya
I say in
regions,
the image,
at
because
the hilly regions, because
they are trying to carry
and
a,
we
some
should
of the aircraft on the hilly area to test, maybe to test that thing, whatever they have invented.
we can also form a
And they
team.
look
because
like
going at
students
Himalayas
who-
means they are reducing the pressure on their aircraft, which can be normally done in the plain areas. So it's not necessary for going there Himalayas to test their planes. Low weight planes can be carried in plain areas also. As we go at the higher pressure altitude, the pressure only decreases, nothing more than changes. Yes, temperature also decreases, but it could be tested in the laboratory conditions also.
But
There's
the thing
no
is, they can
necessity for
easily
going in
test their
Himalayas.
aircraft from the upper Himalayas to check either they are working or not, because to make it like as a
But in a positive mood, we could approach like that also, that but in a positive way, we
So,
can look at like that also,
as
that the
they are
plane is giving something to the peoples, because the peoples are seeing the flight as a rays of hope. Means
No,
they are
no,
being
we can't
provided
take it
some kind
because
of
No,
foods
we
many
or
people
cannot
protection
go.
like
I
that
have different
also.
opinion on
I
that
don't
point.
think so. We can raise
I
it,
think we
it
should
was not
take
raise
it
it
as
as
a
like
final
a
year
hope,
project.
many
because
people are
it is
doing something on the if the plane is distributing something,
Because in
so why the
Himalaya
people
regions,
are
the landslides
attaching
are
to the
also common.
wing?
So we can, if you agree, we
The,
can also form a story on
the
landslide,
image
because in
was
Himalaya
the image
landslides
was
are also
clearly
But
forming.
the
so
the image
that's
image
was
the
clearly
thing.
image
But
it
painted
is not
plain.
appropriate
Landslide is not a
because the
the thing
problem.
peoples
is
are
completely opposite, na,
involving
from
something
the
going on the
Yes,
wings.
hilly areas.
we should. So
Peoples are doing
Because they are
something on
trying
the
to
wings.
carrying
they are
us,
launching
because
they
they
are
are
launching
trying
the
to
aeroplane.
carrying
They launched
aircrafts
it.
on the upper hills,
Yes,
so
they
that
launched
It
it.
it
is
is.
difficult for the
It was a
man, guys. It is
it was
very
a,
difficult for the man to pick up the
And
aircraft. How
first of
can
all,
the
we
man
should
pick
look
up the
like that
aircraft?
it was
also.
not.
Why? What
Okay,
are you
It
okay.
saying?
how can man pick up the aircraft, take out the aircraft, as you said that it is
It is not
taking
that
aircraft to
heavy.
the
I
hill
think
hill area?
as it is science project. I think
Actually, we
it
can
should not
take
be. It is
it
not
Yeah,
that. It is a
as a demo.
you can
lightweight
take it as
aircraft.
it is a
And
small
we can
it
also
is
say that they
a
are
small
working on a some. We can also say that
a
they are
small
working on a different project that had been
And if they are testing
like
the aircraft at
assigned
flights,
from
then
their
why
it is
should
college.
they
yeah,
The common
why
story is
should
we
they
can
coming
say
fly
that
their
it is a
aircraft
small
that
science
much
there.
such
project.
near to the
So we should put
mountains?
the
They should
designation
fly
is
it at a high
as
rise
their main
than
designation.
mountains.
I
Guys,
think.
we can take that it is a small college project which is made up of wood, so it is easy for them to handle it.
So we can
But
say that
if you taking
it
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 is
as
is
a
an
a
kind of
engineering
project
aircraft,
that
project.
has
then
been
Yes.
assigned from the. It is a
yeah,
kind
we
of
can take
project
it
that
as
has been
an
assigned by
engineering
the
project.
college
Yeah,
itself.
Yes.
yeah.
We can do that. They fly, and it was as it is their first try. So can we say that it could be their failure or a direct or we should directly successful them, like they
No,
are
no.
successful in making that aircraft.
No,
Yeah,
we should
yeah, we can
successful
say
them
that.
because they are able to fly.
You
It's
have
absolutely agree
Okay.
that the plane is being flied.
Yeah, yeah, we can
And
say that.
it is honor for their it is also the honor for their college. So and we should end them as the college appreciates them, and it is a best project of that year.
yeah, we can add
Do you
Yes, we
this
can
agree?
also.
also say. Yes, we can also
Yeah,
say that.
we can also present it the science exhibition. We can also include the science exhibition in this
Science exhibition, I don't
story.
agree with that, because it is a aeroplane. School students can't make that. It has to be a engineering project.
Because
It is a
after
simple
the
model. It is
after
a
the
simple model
agreement
of
of the
airplane.
science
This is
exhibition, we can
made up of wood.
also go for
No,
the
wood.
same.
Okay, gentlemen, 1 second. Now the group 2 can continue this conversation, this discussion. Please proceed.
Gentlemen,
So,
listen to me.
Gentlemen, let's
First we have to
decide the
imagine the
characters
photo.
and the
If you
genders
see
and the positive mood. As
chest
we
number 9, please
already as we
listen to
all
us. You are
decided the as we all
Arvina,
decided
please
as we all
mark it.
decided as
You
we
are
all decided
doing
that
the same
the
thing.
pupils are around
Gentlemen,
7 to 8 pupils,
chest number
and the
9, please listen to me. First we have to decide that
so we
we
can't
are in
increase
war
our
condition.
he's a
If
and
we
he's
take
a
the story as a war condition, so our
people
will
mood, and he's a
become
new and
different
most
from
of
the
the
other people.
most of the
So
stories is
let's
like
take
aeronautical
this
engineer. So we can make a
as
story
an
around
Friends, I just
personal
wanted to
engineer.
say
Make a
that
story around
we
aeronautical
what we
engineer.
can
Suppose
do is
then this is
he's an
what we
aeronautical
can do is
engineer. So we
that is an
can make a
engineering
story like
exhibition.
that. He's an
That is an engineering
aeronautical engineer,
exhibition,
gentlemen,
and he
and
got an opportunity
let's
to do an internship in
they
the
made a
DRDO
project.
we are
organization,
not
and in defense system organization there are many projects working on the
at
on the
nowhere.
fighter
Gentlemen,
planes. So
Friends, what I'm trying to
just
say,
listen
what
to
I'm
me.
trying to say,
We are
that
at war
they are just
condition.
making a
got an
project. That is
opportunity
an
to do.
engineering
So he
project.
got an opportunity to
Purpose
work in the ongoing project,
enemy attacks on us.
and the
By
DRDO team
that,
and one of the
Just
team
number 9 and
developed
10.
a fighter,
I
and
just
one of
want
the
to add,
one of the
let us come
I
to
just
the
want
DRDO
to add
single
something.
point
If you
and one of the
allow me
DRDO
to
story.
planned
Chest number
Common
9 and 10.
chest number 9, please listen to me.
fighter plane.
Chest number 9,
Hello,
would you
chest number 9,
just,
please. Chest number 9,
would you
please
please
listen to
allow?
us now.
I
We
just
all want to
wanted
get
to add something.
recommended
I just
in
wanted to add something
PSB.
to chest number
So
9 and 10.
we
I
have
just
to.
please give me a chance. I just wanted to add
Yeah,
something to 9
you are
and 10.
right. I am
What we can do is that
we are
that is an
including all
engineering
stories
project.
together. Okay.
That is an
No,
engineering project, and
Yes,
that
we
is
have
Nobody.
accepted by
already
the
decided that he's an
DRDO.
aeronautical engineer. Move on further. We can move as we already decided that most of the stories around aeronautical engineer, so we can make a story around aeronautical engineer.
That is an aeronautical engineering project. Like 4 to 5 guys are involved. They do all the research work.
We cannot make a story about the aeronautical engineer project because the making of planes is not the project.
They make that project, and that project is finally accepted by DRDO, and DRDO gives that to Army, Navy, or Air Force. We can take this thing because this will include everyone's story.
In the end, okay. Firstly, we add that we have
that will include your story also, and you know, if it is included by the Air Force, and your will be included.
Yeah, we can make a story. We can also make a story like that. That he works on a.
He works. What I mean to say, where are you? You are just starting.
We should include everyone's story.
Yeah, right. Just listen to me. Let us start. Take first. We are at war condition. Okay, so our planes, all planes get destroyed by the
number 10.
enemy army.
This thing
it's not a story. Your story is totally different. Just move with the group. Just move with the group. We cannot make a story. We cannot make a story like that. A war. Most of the stories around aeronautical engineers, so we can move head further around the aeronautical engineer.
Did you see surgical? Have you seen surgical strike?
It's a hypothetical thinking, bro. It's a hypothetical thinking. You just have to move with the group. You just have to move with the group. Just move with the group like aeronautical engineer.
You know, including a war, that won't be an option. Let us start with engineering project, and after that we should end with like your part, like it would help in landslide and such kind of things.
Can I start and end up a story? If entire group is agree, can I start and end up a story?
Have you seen the picture in the left side of the picture?
I would like to add one more point. Number 10. Can I add one more point?
Listen, everyone listen. We can make a story like that. Ram is a final year Ram is in final year engineering, and he's an aeronautical engineer.
But gentlemen, first add the war condition, then you can.
And he's an aeronautical, and he's an aeronautical engineer. He and his team prepares. He and his team prepares. He works on the project for the deployment of the fighter planes, and he submitted the plan. And he and his team submitted his plan of the preparing the fighter pilots, and he submitted the plans to the DRDO team, and the DRDO organization accepted his plans. So he and his team got an opportunity. So he and his team got an opportunity on that plan. After some days, his and his team works with one of the team in the DRDO to work on the prepare of the fighter planes. And after some days, he makes a good fighter plane.
You have to start the story now.
He makes a good fighter planes, and finally he delivers to that fighter planes to the Indian Navy, to the Indian Air Force, to the betterment of our defense forces.
Plane can't be.
And after that, there was a like chess number 10. If you want to add your thing,
now
chess number 10. You want to add? Yeah, chess number 10. Go on.
Do not add warning situation at the beginning. That's
I'm saying. Do not add war situation at the beginning.
Okay. Chess number 9, 10. Okay, now please stop it. Chess number 12. Why are you not speaking here? Why are you not taking part in the discussion here? Chess number Ayush. बोलो आपको बात करनी है, अपना पॉइंट रखना है, ठीक है? आप डिस्कशन सुनो और फाइंड द पेस टू स्पीक, ठीक है ना? अभी क्या कर रहे हो आप पढ़ाई में? पढ़ाई कर रहे हो? You're working or like studying right now?
Studying.
Okay. What are you doing?
BSc.
ओके, तो इसमें यार थोड़ा ओपन रहो ना, पार्टिसिपेट करना है आपको डिस्कशन में ना. Okay, now guys, you have 1 minute, everyone, right? After that, I'll ask you who will narrate the story, who is your leader. Okay,
sir.
You guys can start now, please proceed.
Okay, sir.
Friends,
guys-
our
Gentlemen,
basic theme is
first
arranged
we
like
can
he's
add
an
my
engineering
story in the
student.
beginning.
Can I
Gentlemen,
start a
first
story
of
and
all,
end
we
up a
should not
story?
Your
consider
story
Can
about
can I
not
start a
consider
story?
it as an aeronautical engineering because the
Himalaya.
budget of making a
take
plane
my
is
story in the
much
beginning,
more
because
than
Group,
a
we have
student
to
can
make a
afford.
common story. We have to
Just
make a
number
common
10,
story. So
plan
most
for
of the
aeronautical
stories are
engineering
aeronautical
based
engineer.
aeroplane.
now we can
So
add
group,
your
What is
story.
let's
an
decide a
aeronautical
common
engineering
leader
doing
and
in
he's
Indias?
end up the story and start who has
Case
start
number
the
nine.
story and end up the story.
They
all
are the
aeronautical
engineers.
Group, we have to
Friends,
make
as
a
we have
common
already
story so
discussed,
we
like,
don't get diverse. We are running out of
story.
just now to
Gentlemen, we are running out of
starting,
time.
please
Please
add
decide a
mine.
common leader so that leader can
Yeah.
narrate a story.
Okay, we can decide this later. First, add my story in the beginning, and after that, our plane get stuck, or
We can add your story later. Just number 10. We can add that warning situation
It's
later.
not like we have to make a common story. So just move
Yeah,
on with
you
the
are
group.
right.
story.
Just move on with the
Case number
group.
9.
You just you
Case
can just
number
drop
9, we have to
your
add
story
the
is
issue
good.
in the beginning, na. We have
Case
to,
number
You
9, please
we
don't.
have
add the
to
story.
find something
How
in
you
the
can
beginning.
add
And the
issue?
issue is
Decide
that
the theme
we
of
are
your
You
at
have
point
to
of
move.
time.
You have to move the
Gentlemen,
group.
a college
You
project
have to
can't
move
But
the
if you
group.
take my advice, we can add that thing later.
Whatever the
Common
group
stories
suggests,
don't
you
like
have to
this.
move
That's
with the
number
group.
9.
I
You
have
are not
suggested
the
mine.
individual.
That's
You are
number
in the
9.
group.
Now it's your
You are in the
duty to
group.
move
College
ahead.
project can't
Buddy,
afford
you
such
are in
much
the
funds
group. You
for
have to
making a
move with the
plane.
group.
Your
So
team for
just
case number
Not
9.
college
whatever the
project. We
group
can go for
decided,
engineering
just
project. We
move
can go for
on. Just
engineering
go
college
ahead
project.
with that
About
group.
this suggestion.
Friends, let us conclude a
Colin,
story.
सुनो,
I think the
आपस में
stories
तो हम
are
लोग
Gentlemen, just gentlemen, can you give me 1 second? Can you give me 30 seconds? Gentlemen, can you give me 30 seconds? Gentlemen, can you give me 30
add my
seconds?
story in the
Let's-
beginning, and then
Gentlemen, can you give me 30
We should
seconds?
allow just number 10 to skip. Just number 9, we should allow just number 10 to speak. He wants to say something. Let us allow him once. Okay, just number 10, you say.
Yes.
हाँ, थैंक यू मैं हिंदी में ही बोल देता हूँ क्योंकि खुद ही डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. स्टार्टिंग में
Yes,
हम लोग
yes,
रख लेते हैं
speak.
हमारा एरोप्लेन वाला पार्ट, एंड देन हम लोग क्योंकि हमारा वॉर कंडीशन है, तो क्योंकि सारे प्लेन्स खराब हो चुके हैं, एक ही हमारे पास एयरक्राफ्ट बच रहा है जो कि हमारा
If
हिमालय
you take my advice, please add that thing. War like
Gentlemen,
situations, add that later.
gentlemen,
Yeah, your thing is
it's number 10.
First of all, we should drop that college project plan because college project
That is
can't
not
afford
college
such much
project.
funds.
We cannot say that engineering project.
No.
And
एक मिनट सुन लो.
It can be DRDO
you have to
mission,
drop that
DRDO
plan. You have
plan
to
can be
move.
acceptable. College project we should drop it.
IIT project also acceptable. Aeronautical engineer
Because
story. So
cost
just
of
move
making a
ahead with
flight
the
is
group.
much more crores.
We can go. That is an engineering project funded by DRDO. We can go for
Give me
that.
30 seconds. Give me 30 seconds. Give me, gentlemen, give me 30 seconds. Give me 30 seconds.
Give me a minute.
Give me 30 seconds.
Okay, gentlemen,
Just
please
number
stop
10,
it.
please allow.
Everyone,
Give me 30 seconds.
everyone, please stop it now. And please decide it, like who is going to narrate the story, who will be your leader.
Can I narrate the story? Chess number 7.
Just number
Should
chess
I?
number
I would
7.
like to nominate test number 8, sir.
Sir, I would like to nominate chess number 8 to conclude, to narrate the
Test
conclusion of the
number
story.
8, sir. Test
Oh.
number 8.
Okay, chess number 8. Okay, all are agree with
Okay, thank you.
chess number 8. 1 second,
Yes,
Aniket,
sir.
1 second,
Yes,
1
yes.
second.
Okay,
Don't
okay.
rush, don't
Yes,
rush.
sir. I agree.
वहां भी अगर आप बोलेगा ना आपका नाम लेंगे तो कूद नहीं जाना है बीच में. ओके, जब सब एग्री हो जाएंगे, जब सर बोलेंगे, देन यू शुड से ओके, थैंक यू जेंटलमैन और थैंक यू ग्रुप जो भी है उनको एड्रेस करोगे एक बार के लिए. देन सर विद द परमिशन में आई, देन ऑफिसर विल गिव यू परमिशन. आई थिंक यू गाइस कैन रिलेट दैट, राइट? You should take, at least you should take a permission from office. Sometimes people don't do that. You know, but
Yes,
you should say, okay, sir, with the permission may I, you just start narrating a story later on. Don't rush. आपको बोल दिया ना, आपको कोई चांस नहीं खाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है, ठीक है? बताएंगे उसी को बोलना है, नहीं तो बीच में क्या है ना, काफी सटल वो ये होता है, काफी मुश्किल हो जाता है उसमें, right? तो make sure one thing that will not leave the chance if you're getting that, okay? So chess number 8, all are okay with chess number 8? ऐसा कोई है जिसको लगता है कि
Yes, sir. Okay. That's okay, sir. That's fine.
Chess number 7?
सर मैं अपना नाम लेना चाहूंगा.
Okay, chess number 7 want to give his name. Anybody else want to give his name?
सर मैं अपना नाम लेना चाहूंगा सर. चेस
sir.
नंबर 10.
Okay, chess number 10 and chess number 7. Okay, so chess number 8, you are in the majority. Okay, so you can give us your consensus, like whole group story. Please proceed.
Okay, thank you, friends, giving me a chance to narrate the story with our consensus. So, like Anuj is a student. He is not a student. He's an employee working, and he's an employee working under DRDO. So he is assigned a task of making a glider. I had added glider earlier, but making a aeroplane, and along with his friends. So he does research work. He buys all the necessary equipment. He takes the help of his seniors, and he does 30 to 40, 35 days of hard work. He burns midnight oil, and on the final day they take that team. And along with DRDO, senior chiefs of Army, Navy, Air Force, even they are available. And after the trial and a successful landing of 3 hours, they accepted that. Finally, Navy accepts that thing, and so that Navy can use that thing, and Navy can use that thing when they would be having problem during disaster management. So thank you.
ओके, सब एग्री हैं स्टोरी से? ऐसा कोई जो एग्री नहीं है?
No, sir.
No,
मैं
sir,
agree
sir.
नहीं।
It was completely story, I think so.
हाँ, completely.
Sir, मैं agree नहीं हूँ, sir.
Okay, और कोई
Majority of part
For
is
a
was
proprietary
is
story according to our discussion, sir. It is not the proprietary story according to our
yes.
discussion.
Okay,
What
जैसे
we
आप लोग
discussed and what he narrated
सब्जी मार्केट
was
लगा हुआ था,
Forgot
किन्ने को
so
ready
many
नहीं।
points.
Somehow
It is
he's
a mixed up.
distracted.
And sir, actually, some of them are saying that it's a kind of war.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sir, I am
But I
saying
don't
this,
think
but
so.
it
It
is
is
not
See
like
guys, see,
Sir,
आपका
मुझे
लीडर है,
लगा
आपने
ऐसा है, मैंने
चूज
कहा
किया
था।
है, तो आप एग्री हो ना हो, doesn't make any sense. That is your leader, you chose him,
Okay, sir.
right?
Okay, sir.
तो तब फॉलो ही करना है उसको, जो बोलेगा वो सही है.
Sir, I just tried to include test number 10 story. Actually, he was telling me to tell that initially, but I thought of telling it later because that would have been more better. So
Okay,
that thing I
fine,
didn't
fine,
include
fine.
him.
See, what I mean to say that first you're selecting your leader, then you're saying no. Then what is the point of selecting him?
Yes.
Writing your story to lead the group. Agree or not?
Yes.
आपने जब trust किया उसको, तो
Yes,
trust
sir.
him properly. Otherwise, don't trust him at all.
Agree, sir.
Agreed. Yes.
Sometimes you know what happen. कभी कभार क्या होता है ना, GPE में या कहीं पूछेंगे आपसे. Then you jump off and start telling your own story. I'm not saying you should not do that. If something totally different is telling, then makes sense. But you know, आप ही ने सबने agree किया है ना. अगर आप agree मत करो उस time पे. फिर वही है, काफी subtle चीजें होती हैं यार ये. Right. So just number 10, what was your story? आप बताओ अपनी story.
मेरी
आपकी नहीं, इस ग्रुप की स्टोरी, ग्रुप की स्टोरी जो आप बता रहे थे, आपको लीडर बनना चाहिए.
ओके सर, सर हिंदी में कर लूं
ना, क्यों कर लो हिंदी में यार, इंग्लिश, फुल इंग्लिश.
ठीक है सर, ठीक है सर. ओके, तो जेंटलमैन, there are 8 characters in the story. Mood of the story is energetic and positive. All the 8 characters are, one of them is a wing commander. Here is in this story we can conclude that we are at war condition with the enemy. Take down our all planes take down our all planes, which is we have no planes left with for our army. So one of the aeroplane is at under construction or under maintenance at the Himalayas. So our team go there and just trying to repair it, but unfortunately we have no such information and technology to repair it. So we took some help from DRDO, and we bring some, and we ask some freshers which are in colleges, so to repair that plane, and by their help we can repair our plane, and unfortunately we can make this happen, and by that time our aeroplane in the sky, and we won the war. Just it.
Sir,
Okay,
this is
so
completely
one
movie
second.
story rather
Sir,
than
this is a
second,
hype.
gentlemen.
Can I say something?
Just number 2, please,
Can I say
please, 1
something?
second. Everyone, please hold on. Let me ask some
okay.
questions.
Yes, sir.
So you're telling they have one plane.
Yes sir, बाकी सारे plane crash हो गए थे.
ठीक है, crash हो गए, destroyed हो गए.
Sir, I saw. Sir, I saw. In
Sir,
the
I
left side
want
of the
to
image,
add one point.
Sir,
here.
can I say
helicopter.
something?
One
That's why
second,
I
hold on, guys. I'm talking
had
to
this
him now.
enemy
Don't
kind of
interfere in
story.
between, यार. Please have some patience.
Okay, sir.
Okay. हाँ, बोलो. Just number 10, क्या कह रहे थे?
Sir, I have seen in the image. I have seen in the left side some helicopters. That's why I add this enemy story.
Okay.
And we have only one aeroplane which is left in the Himalayas, or elsewhere our airplanes get destroyed by the enemy. And we have only left one aeroplane. That's why I add this story and I'm agree with all of the members. But I just want to add my story in the beginning so that their story can add up in my story, because everyone is telling that ki add some of our gentlemen said, मतलब कुछ हमारे gentlemen ने कहा था कि DRDO को ले लो and college
Can I
के
speak
aspirants
one
को ले
thing?
लो,
One
इन सब
second,
चीजों
hold
को
on.
include किया था.
Chest number 7, आपकी story क्या थी? Please do it fast. We are running out of time. जल्दी बताओ.
Yes, sir. In my story, sir, it is a project which is done by the DRDO, and there is a senior scientist officer, which is my main character. And it's not a plane, because 8 to 10 people can't carry a plane to the hilltop, so it can be a lightweight machine like a lightweight
Okay.
glider. So their project is there, they tested, but in first attempt they are failed. Again they analyze the whole situation and redo all the things, what all the problems, and again they retested, and they finally done successfully. And then after they deployed it into a Air Force.
Okay, makes sense.
That's my story.
Yes.
Makes sense, guys. You agree with or not?
Yes, sir. I agree, sir. Agree, sir.
Anyone who is not agree with the story except chest number 10. Aniket,
I
agree or not?
Agreed, sir. Agreed.
Anybody
Sir,
find
I am
this?
having a different
Yes, please. हम सुनेंगे उसको सुनेंगे. मतलब, okay, as of now, I want to know that anybody who's not agree with chest number 7, because you see, it's a realistic thing. I think so. The DRDO का project चलता है, या फिर ADA का project चल रहा है, Aeronautical Development Agency का चल रहा है, you know, या HAL का project चल रहा है, right? अब आपके पास कोई glider नहीं, मतलब ये plane तो है नहीं. Let me give you clarification on that. मतलब plane है, they're in development stage, you can say that.
Sir, it is a glider.
हाँ, kind of glider, you can say solar plane, और थोड़ा और उसको मसाला डालना है तो उसमें solar plane कर सकते हो आप. You know?
Yes.
Surveillance के लिए देख रहे हैं, जो solar मतलब solar पे ही चलता रहे दिन के हिसाब से, जो भी है.
Sir,
कुछ भी
I
बन सकता
used the solar plane in my story.
Okay, I heard that thing. So you can make more stories also on that. It's not like that. The thing that a little bit, you know, creative and, you know, try to understand. Let me show you a picture. So chest number 2, you want to say something, no?
Yes, sir. It could be a scene of MiG-21 aircraft crash scene, which was under pilot was trying his sortie. So due to misfortune or some machine, the machine got like खराब हो जाती है machine. It could be a accident, and then the reinforces. Fortunately, the pilot is safe. First of all, the public there and the all the necessary reinforcement gather there, and it could be that way, sir.
Yeah.
अभी आपने प्लेन को क्रैश होते हुए देखा है?
Yes, sir. वो काफी ज़्यादा सर डैमेज हो जाता है इसमें प्रॉपर.
वो तो डैमेज हो जाता है.
Just number 7, you are from defense background somewhere. You're...
Yes, sir. My father is like in army.
Okay, currently serving.
Now, no, sir. He's retired right now in 2015 only.
Okay, cool. So what I mean to say, just number 2, जो आपने फाइटर को कभी क्रैश करते देखोगे ना वीडियोस में, अभी जैसे MiG-21 क्रैश हुआ था, कहाँ क्रैश हुआ था? एनीबॉडी? कहाँ? राजस्थान में? जैसलमेर?
तमिलनाडु.
हाँ, तमिलनाडु में जहाज नहीं, वो Mi-17 था, राइट? जो अपने हमारे सीनियर्स जो बिपिन रावत सर थे.
Mi-75 chopper.
हाँ, तो उसमें तो यार चांस ही नहीं है क्रैश का, बचने का चांस ही नहीं है, टूट फुट बहुत हो जाता है उसमें. पर ठीक है,
डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाता है सर.
हाँ, तो मतलब एक बोलो.
If we saw the positive side, like the pilot is safe, the reinforcement come, it could be that type of story also, because it's not always if the MiG-21 crashes then pilot dies. It's not like that.
No, we are not killing pilot.
He could be saved, and he
आप ये भी बना रहे हो कुछ, आप रैकेज उठा के ले जा रहे हो, सामान उठाने के बाद प्लेन को देखो, वो इट्स लाइक मतलब ऊपर क्यों जा रहे हैं, वो नीचे जाएंगे ना.
Yes, sir.
अगर आप कुछ
my fault, sir. I think I haven't.
So plane की condition ठीक है.
हाँ, plane condition भी. Let me show you picture again.
Okay, sir.
Sir, it is looking
So
like.
can I ask
like
you something?
Science project.
Sir, can I ask you something?
कौन पूछ रहा है?
Chest number 9.
Sir, chest number 9.
Chest number 9 कहाँ है भाई?
Sir, one of the chest number say.
पूछो.
sir, one of the chess numbers said that there is only one plane is left. So, sir, this is maybe a hypothetical situation because it's
No,
not
that
possible
is
that only one
totally
plane is.
no. That is doesn't make any sense. I
Completely
will tell you the fact.
movie story.
No, that
Yes.
doesn't make
That
any
is
sense.
totally hypothetical situation.
No, you can't.
Sir,
You can't.
At the war time, we cannot go for the repairment, right?
No, that's not. That story is not relatable.
But-
Yaar, not at all. I will tell you what I think. War and situation, you can't make
Sir,
that.
because we have many planes, we have a lot of planes, so this is maybe
We
a
must be in
hypothetical
position
situation.
of backup. Any
Yeah,
wartime
we must be have any
need-
position of backup. Yeah.
yes,
And it is
position of
not even
backup
looking
and
like a
all that.
fighter plane. It is not even looking like a fighter plane, man.
Goes into that.
Yeah, it's not even like a fighter plane. Yeah, yes.
Is it visible?
Okay. Yes, sir. Completely
Yeah,
visible.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
you
sir.
see,
more like a
these are
kite.
not helicopters. You can it's a birds, right?
They are birds. Yes.
Okay, sir.
और ये देल को
Yeah.
ऐसे लग रहा है किसी यूनिफॉर्म
And
बस ले या
also,
फिर
and also in the plane there is no any driver seat.
yeah, it's like a
It's
glider.
totally
you can say.
reserved.
It's like a
We
kite.
can see drones, sir.
It's like a kite.
A kite also you can
Looking
make
like a
it
plane.
big kite.
It
The village
resembles a
people.
Yes,
Maybe,
sir.
maybe it is a network tower. Maybe it will be a network tower.
Eh,
Balloon
network
tower.
No.
Oh, network
I
tower.
thought
Balloon
it
tower
is a
is being
bridge.
made.
Its notes looks like this.
Okay, guys, तो इस पिक्चर
So we
को
can
अपने
also go for
अपने
this.
Just
बारे
like
में
network tower.
guys okay let me just okay तो पिक्चर को ठीक से ऑब्जर्व करो हिमालय क्यों बना रहे हो सिंपल माउंटेन बना दो ये थोड़ी
Yes,
स्मॉल माउंटेन बना दो ओके राइट सो ऊपर लेके जा रहे हैं तो कुछ पर्पस होगा समझ रहे हो the thing is that ये स्टोरी पीपीटी में नहीं टेट में पूछी गई थी इंडियन कोस्ट गार्ड में ठीक है तो मैंने आपको बता दिया सो यू हैव इनफ टाइम मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि एकदम अब्सर्डिटी बना लो मेन पर्पस क्या देखो परसेप्शन है सबका इसमें गलत नहीं होता कुछ राइट बट ज्यादा भी गलत नहीं होना चाहिए ना जैसे वॉर बना दिया लास्ट प्लेन रह गया तो तुम डेड हो भाई वो भी टेस्टिंग कर रहे हो आपको प्लेन एक प्लेन बनाने में सालों लग जाते हैं तेजस बनाने के लिए कितने 15-20 साल लग गए
Yes, sir.
एक इंजन को डेवलप करने में कितने साल लग जाते हैं आप एक दिन में बना के वॉर खत्म एक 5 जहाज हो गए तो बस खत्म है वॉर यार राइट
And sir, providing relief measures.
regarding
Relief measures.
what was your story
That in a landslide, their plane is providing relief like clothing and lodging, food facilities to the people.
it is but this plane look not I don't think so
They are holding.
like
Yes, sir.
look like
Sir,
अब
they are
जैसे
holding the planes.
जैसे कि
Yes, sir.
कोस्ट गार्ड में आपने
Holding and
हेलीकॉप्टर
carrying
देखा होगा
one.
चेतक जब फ्लाई करता है ऊपर से सामान फेंकता है यू नो खाने का पैकेट
Yes, sir.
फेंकेगा या
हाँ.
समटाइम्स चेतक जब
Yes,
सर्वेलेंस
sir.
वो करता है रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन करता है चेतक करता है वैसे रेस्क्यू जहाँ से कि इंडियन कोस्ट गार्ड में है ठीक है
Yes, sir.
और भी हैं एयरक्राफ्ट हेलीकॉप्टर्स हैं न्यूली अपॉइंटेड हैं अभी लिए गए हैं तो द फैक्ट इज दैट ये तो नहीं है ये तो ऐसा लग रहा है कोई प्रोजेक्ट है स्टूडेंट्स का प्रोजेक्ट बना
Yes,
सकते हो नहीं तो
yes,
डीआरडीओ
okay, sir.
एडा का प्रोजेक्ट है जो लोग टेस्ट कर रहे हैं किसके लिए सर्विलेंस
Sir,
Yes, sir. DRDO, HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited.
Sir, can
Sir,
we
if
use
the plane is
like
sir, if the
solar
plane is
drone?
above the mountain, so we can make a story on the relief. If plane is above the mountain,
नहीं प्लेन इज नॉट फुली प्लेन ना हाउ इट कैन बी रिलीफ वो तो खुद नहीं उड़ सकता दूसरों को क्या सपोर्ट करेगा
It is under
Plane-
construction. I think.
Drone, a
Sir,
drone.
we can also go for this UAV, sir, unarmed aerial vehicle.
हाँ
for
यस
surveillance.
इट इज इन द डेवलपमेंट स्टेज बट उसके लिए भी लोगों के
हाँ,
पास
we can go for
ऑलरेडी
that.
टनल होती हैं विंड टनल्स होती हैं टेस्टिंग करने के लिए राइट इनके पास सारी चीजें
Yes,
अवेलेबल
sir.
होती हैं बट ऐसा क्या है जो वो ओपन में टेस्ट करना चाहते हैं आप बोलो सोलर पैनल को चेक करना चाहते हैं
Yes.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
A
sir.
drone,
Yes,
drone
sir.
using a solar panel to move.
एग्जैक्टली
Solar panel, and they also wanted to check the height, कितने height पे उड़ सकता है, and फिर
And
हाँ,
can it
something
carry a bag
testing.
of food to can it carry a food for COVID patients?
हाँ एग्जैक्टली कोविड
No,
से रिलेट कर
But
सकते
the plane is
कोविड से
in
तो नहीं
the developmental stage, bro. The plane is in developmental stage. How they will take the food?
Yes,
Okay,
guys.
guys.
It is,
Okay, guys,
it is under
gentlemen,
construction.
gentlemen,
Trying-
see
they are trying for it.
gentlemen, meeting is like going to over in the next 30 seconds, right? So I want to tell you one thing. Just practice this story. This came already in FSB, TET, right? Okay. So try to write down the story from like
Yes,
your
sir.
own.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then see you soon.
Okay, sir.
And subscribe channel, like, comment, जो भी करना है करो. अच्छा लग रहा है तो अच्छी बात है. नहीं लग रहा तब भी अच्छी बात है.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Hello guys.
Yes.
Take care.
Thank you,
Enjoy
sir.
tomorrow
Thank
also
you,
if you have
Thank you,
time.
sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for
Thank you
your
all,
suggestion.
gentlemen.
Just number 10.
Thank you, sir.
Little bit perception observation पे काम करो हो जाए.